Are you constantly playing doorman for your furry friend? It's time to give your pet the freedom they deserve with a pet door from Doors Plus. We've partnered with top brands to bring you cat doors and dog doors that can handle even the most enthusiastic pets. These doors are built to last with features like sturdy plastic flaps and durable frames, plus they come in sizes to fit most pets. But here's the best part, we don't just help provide you with pet doors. We offer a range of external doors that are perfect for installing your new pet door into. Whether you prefer the strength and simplicity of a solid flat panel door or the sleek and functional look of our Guardian 2-in-1 doors, we've got you covered. Now you might be thinking installation sounds like a hassle. Don't worry, our team of experts can handle the entire process for you, ensuring the right fit without damaging your door. So why wait? Give your pet the gift of independence and yourself some well-deserved peace of mind. Come visit us at Doors Plus and let's find the right pet door solution for your home. Doors Plus, no fuss.